2025, officers attempted to stop a man on a bicycle after he ran a stop sign.
Okay. I have nothing to talk to you about. No, I don't.
You don't have an ID on you?
I want to talk to you.
You're not going to talk to us?
About anything. About what?
You're not going to give us
about what?
You just ran a stop sign.
Quit it. Stop it, man.
Is that not a stop sign right now?
A bike.
You still have to
I
follow.
stopped.
You still have to follow traffic laws.
Stop that, man.
Okay.
What do you really want to do?
You're not going to give us your name?
No, nothing. I'm not going to cooperate.
All right. Put your hands on your back. For what? For obstructing.
I'm trying to get off the bike.
Okay.
I'm trying to get off the bike.
We can get you off the bike.
I'm trying to get off the bike.
So get off the bike.
I'm trying to get off the bike.
Get off the bike.
He said I ran a stop sign on a bike.
Get off the bike then.
He said I ran a stop sign on a bike.
Cooperate then. Okay,
he said I ran a stop sign on a bike.
You still have to follow traffic laws.
I ran a stop sign on a bike.
He's not giving us a name. It's obstructing.
Obstructing what?
You have to give us your name.
Man, this is harassment. This is what you do.
Okay.
Obstruction of justice.
Okay. Over here.
You got anything on you, man?
23 from Oliver Falls.
We're not where we man.
Well, that's it.
Do you even have an ID on me?
No.
What's your name?
I'm not cooperating.
Listen, man.
Okay, well then that's what you'll do.
All right.
Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. You put the handcuffs on me, so how am I gonna get that off of there?
We'll get it off.
Yeah. You see that? They've been following me. They've been following me since Arlington. They've been following me since Arlington. Since Arlington, they've been following me for nothing. I'm on a bike in the sun.
I know, that's what I'm trying not to do.
It's two of them trying to get handcuffs.
Will you stop, man?
They just corny as hell.
Listen, man, give us.
No, I don't have to give you shit.
Okay.
Buster, you've been following me since Arlington.
Okay, man.
For nothing. For absolutely nothing.
Okay.
It's just really corny. This is harassment. It's just Trump policy, that's all. It's just Trump policy.
Ma'am, we'll talk to you in a second, okay, dear? Thank you.
It's just Trump policy.
What's Trump policy?
I don't need to explain anything to you.
Okay.
Because you was a straight sucker.
All right.
That's all you want to do. You just want to touch a black man. That's really all they want to be. Touch him. Ain't nothing in there. You gonna let me get it?
Depends on if you just give us your name.
Oh man, come on. Man.
Listen, man, the difference between a ticket
and
a
citation
citation
for what? A ticket for what?
And going to jail for obstructing, dude.
Well, obstruction of what?
Obstructing official business. You
official business.
You have to provide us your name when you commit a traffic violation.
I'm going to tell you something like this.
What's that?
I'm going to tell you something that might be bizarre. Y'all ain't give us no reparations for slavery.
What does that?
What does that have to do with it? Yeah, I guess so.
What does that have to do with
I ran a stop on a bike. Come on,
okay.
Man. You know how petty that is. You know
what's
petty
about it?
You know petty because you don't do it in a white neighborhood. All those kids that run those stop signs, you don't do that in a white neighborhood. Okay. It's never been done.
Yeah, I checked my side.
In a white neighborhood, y'all don't do that to kids or anybody. Y'all just don't do that.
So you're just not gonna give us your name?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
All right, man. We try to give you every opportunity.
Well, when you go down there, they're gonna be like, "Why you bring this guy in here for this bullshit?" Okay. Whatever you need to do when you go down there, they're gonna be like, "Why did you bring this guy in here on this bullshit?"
They're not gonna ask that.
Yes, they are. Okay. Because they released me twice from doing that shit.
Well, they can't hold you forever.
Well, whatever. You're on some bullshit, man. This is bullshit, man. You know that. Well, whatever they got, whatever they know. Y'all don't even want to go through this. But take me down because y'all figured y'all need to do this.
This isn't necessary.
Yeah, it isn't necessary. It isn't.
Okay, well, why
y'all don't even have to arrest me.
Okay.
I'm not complying.
Okay, that's why you're going to jail.
Well, there it is. I rode up a hill on a bicycle and ran a stop sign, so I'm going to jail for that.
My point is that's your choice. You're the one that decided to go to jail.
Whatever, man. Y'all follow me from Arlington for nothing. I didn't bother you, harass you, didn't do anything.
Warrant? Is there a reason you're not giving me that?
Bro, I don't have to comply with anything. Right, Oversight committee. Okay. Take that up with the Oversight committee. I'm deeply rooted in them. Oversight committee, because this is corny. Whatever, man. You arrested me for rolling up a hill on a bicycle and ran a stop sign. That's corny. You know that's corny. You know that's corny.
That's not why they're
You know that's corny. That is why they arrested me.
You
That
coulda
is
got-
why they arrested me.
You could have got.
That is why they arrested me.
Can I talk for 2 seconds?
Yeah.
You could have gotten a warning and been enjoying your.
Nah, I couldn't have anything, man. You could have said that and let me go.
Do you want this? I don't think we can.
That was for a drill when I'm drilling tile.
I understand.
Okay.
Do you want it?
Yeah, I would like it if I could have it. It cost me.
Okay, it's gonna be with your stuff.
All right.
I don't think the jail lets you have that.
Yeah, I guess not, man. They followed me from Arlington. They followed me from Arlington all the way back around the corner for what? I don't understand. That's why I am not complying.
I get it, and I appreciate your cooperation with me. You've been
You
nothing
followed
but
me
nice.
all the way, come around the corner, really? And then you want me to comply? No.
Okay. I'm doing real good at finding every pocket.
To the property they picked up. Where does that go?
It's at the police station. Do you have a receipt in your property right there for it?
Why couldn't it have come down with me?
So you can't take lottie-dottie everything. Definitely can't take your bike.
Yeah, they like that. That won't be there. Thanks.
Mr. Doe.
In the end, he refused to provide his name or identification, insisting the officers had no reason to stop him. He was charged with obstructing official business. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for educational and documentary purposes only.